It's a great day for hockey cards, and today we've got 2020-2021 Upper Deck SP Hockey, a retail release which has autograph and game-worn jersey cards. Autographs are a tough pull at 1 in 1,600, I believe. We did 8 packs in here, 5 cards per back. Basically what you'll see is this is SP Authentic, but a retail version. With different inserts. I paid $25 US for this box. This is a new release to me because I was at the store the other day and I saw this on the shelf finally. I know it's been out for a little bit, but finally I got to grab a box. And they've done this will be the third year I think they've done like this retail version of SP, which, you know, the fact you have a chance to hit an auto in a retail box is nice, even though it is far away. So we're just gonna bust right into some SP hockey. Let's see what we get, and we can check out the different inserts. As you can see, the base cards are basically SP Authentic base cards, except they just say SP and not SP Authentic. So we've got Brent Burns, Igor Shesterkin, and their common parallel are these blue parallels. Like you see Alex Tuck here. They look really nice. Here's a Rookie Authentic of Timothy Liljegren. You'll also notice that there are some numbered cards in here. Ryan O'Reilly. See if we can pull one or two of those. Even though most of them are pretty high numbered, that I've seen at least. Eric Stahl. And we've got a SP Rookie Authentic Peyton Krebs. That's a really cool looking card. I assume that's some parallel to the regular Rookie Authentics. Like Connor McMichael here, which is a good one to pull. John Klingberg and Zach Werenski. Dougie Hamilton. Got Anthony Mantha. We've got another Rookie Authentic of Arthur Kaliev. And a blue of Rasmus Dahlin and Braden Point. Yeah, those blues really look good, I gotta say. I really like the look of those. Better than the reds, which are the SP Authentic version. Brad Marchand. Dr. Dre in blue. Rookie Authentic of Pius Suter. JVR and Patrick Kane. Elias Pettersson, Patrice Bergeron, and we've got an authentic profile of Carter Hart. Once again, really like the blue there. Darcy Kemper, blue parallel, and Josh Bailey. Brian Zingle, a blue parallel of PD. Nick Robertson, Rookie Authentic. Colton Parayko and Matt Murray. And 2 packs left. Ryan Getzlaff, Natty Mac, Rookie Authentic of Thomas Harley. Miro Heiskanen and Jiggity Jake Guentzel. Last pack. We haven't pulled a numbered card yet. Maybe we'll get one here. David Perron, Nils Höglander, blue of Cal Palmieri, Tyson Berry, and Jonathan Doobie Duberdo. So there you have it. SP Retail. Let me know what you think of the break in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.